In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade BTC or Bitcoin in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select the account you want to trade with. So at the bottom left, tap account, and then up here you can see your accounts. You can tap on this arrow, or yeah, there we go. And then as you can see, you can switch between real and demo accounts and select the one you want to trade with. So I'm just going to go and select this demo standard over here, and let's begin. Now at the bottom, it says trade, as you can see, just like to the right of accounts. Tap on trade. And then from here, you can switch over to crypto up top, or you could just go to favorites or whatever, and you'll be able to find Bitcoin in there. If it's not there, as you can see, there's like a search button, search icon top right. Tap on that, tap on BTC, and it's going to find Bitcoin, and then just tap on it, and there we go. You're now on the chart of Bitcoin. Now here, it's going to show you the chart, and if you have any open orders like me, it's going to, of course, show them on the chart as well. So here, you can do some technical analysis. You can basically see how the price has been doing lately, stuff like that. And then at the bottom you have buy and sell buttons. Now you have to tap on either buy or sell if you want to trade. Of course, for example, if I want to start by buying, I can go ahead and do that. So usually it's going to pop up like this, but if you just slide this up or just tap on that icon, as you can see, like a setting icon, it's going to open up the take profit and stop loss options as well. Now here you can set a market order which buys or sells at the current price, a limit order where you can set the limit price where you want to buy or sell, or you also have a stop order if you want to do that. I'm just going to do a market order to demonstrate this right now. So to trade Bitcoin, select how much you want, for example 0.08 here, and I'm not going to set any take profit or stop losses. I'm just going to tap on confirm buy, and as you can see, I've opened an order. Now of course I could go to the sell button as well and then do a sell order as well, like this for example, and if I do confirm sell, there we go, I've opened an order as well. Now when you do that, you've basically successfully started trading Bitcoin on Exness mobile app, and then you can go out here and then tap on accounts at the bottom left, and in there you can see you have your open positions, and it's going to basically show you, for example, here I have Bitcoin. I can tap on it and I can see my Bitcoin positions, and the last two up top, as you can see, have been the one I've done just right now, and of course that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.